Hello guys, from today we are going to start a new series based on SQL. Without wasting time, let's get started. So today we are going to see how to create a database and how to use a database and how to create a table in that particular database. Okay, so to create database, we have to use the query create what we are going to create database, right? Database, and we have to give a name to particular database. Let's say practice. So if we click and execute, the database is created. So now we have to use this particular database. Use practice. We have to give the database name. And so now we are going to create a table in this particular database. Okay, create table and the table name employee, and we have to define the columns that are going to be in this table. Let's say EID, integer, and primary key. So don't worry about the primary key. I will explain it in the upcoming videos. So first we have to give the column name and the data type and the constraint. Okay. And another employee name, and this will be varchar. Varchar is similar to string, and we have to specify the length of the particular string. Right? And DOV. So it will execute. So now the table has created. Let's see what is there in the table. Employee. Select star from table name. What is the table name? Employee. Right? So if we see here, everything is null because we haven't inserted any records. So the table is empty. So let's see how to insert a record in the next upcoming video.